Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to center stage on the selfie camera, or how to use auto zoom and rotate on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So on the new series of the iPhone 17s, you have a better advanced camera that allows you to do, for example, front selfies in portrait mode or widescreen mode, landscape mode, sorry. And also you have two new features that allow you to compose your pictures a lot more cleanly, and those are the auto zoom and auto rotate. You have two of those in the top right once you enter the selfie camera, and if you tap on the top right, you have these two options. If you enable them, they allow you to center stage and zoom and rotate to fill like every single person in the subject into the photo. So let's say, for example, you're taking a selfie with your friends, and there are a couple of friends in the photo, and you're having trouble fitting them in. What you can do is just enable these two options, and that might help you make a better photo. So this is how it works, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.